super sick F85 X5M, 535 E61. Don't see a lot of those. Of course, the X3, because everything can't be BMW V10s. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Some of you that have seen the videos from before, we've been doing a bunch of different things with intakes lately, front mount intakes, testing a few different intakes. We got those videos posted, but unfortunately on the Outlaw 5, the front mount intakes didn't work out too well. They kept throwing filling plausibility codes, a lot of times on both banks after short drives. And so we ran quad intakes when we went to the track a couple weekends ago. We're gonna be going again this weekend. So we have to do something different about the intakes. I already took the front mount intakes out and then put the bar back in along with the factory ducting. All right, so like I said, the front mount intakes are off. We do still have the AFE hot air intakes. And our main thing is we don't want to be running these when we go to the track. It's already supposed to be hot out. We don't need the engine getting any more hot air than it needs. So we're gonna remove the AFE intakes. We have most of the kit already out, which is another reason why we want to take it out. All right, let's get started. All right, so that was about the easiest thing I've ever done on this car. We're gonna take the kit that was on this, clean the filters, clean the rest of the kit, the shielding that goes in through here, and put it onto this M5. And I've mentioned working on this car that we need to do more of it. So we're gonna take the intakes, the Infinity Design ones from this car, and move it over to the Outlaw 5. All right, here's the matte carbon Infinity Designs intakes we've run on this M5. This is a really good setup. They did really good in the intake test we did. Plus they kind of fit the matte vibe of this car. So we're gonna swap these intakes over here. So here's one of the matte carbon intake pods. We're gonna have to clean this up a little bit before putting it on the car. Let's go. So we got the other intake out. We did have to take the bolts out for the recovery tank so we could get the coolant lines out of the way. But otherwise, super simple to take out as one piece. So we'll clean these up real quick. All right, so the matte carbon intakes are all cleaned up. And they should be all set from the other car and just slide right in. So if the matte carbon Infinity intakes are going on the Outlaw 5, and this M5 is getting the AFE, then what is this M5 gonna run? Well, the new intakes for this car are here. That's right, we got Infinity intakes again, but this time gloss carbon fiber because this car's got carbon fiber splitter and diffuser and spoiler, and there's gonna be some more carbon going on it along with the carbon interior. The gloss carbon intakes from Infinity was the right option. So here's the gloss carbon Infinity design intakes installed. Looks pretty good if I say so myself. It matches the carbon on the splitter, the carbon on the pillar covers, matches the carbon interior swap, carbon on the spoiler, and it matches the carbon on the diffuser. Like I said, we're planning on doing more carbon fiber stuff to this car, so thought it was fitting that the intakes match the rest of the carbon. On top of that, as you guys saw in the intake video, we've tried stock air boxes, the AFE air boxes, and the K&N Typhoon style. Did the velocity stacks, and then we did the front mount intakes and had issues with that. And on the front mount intake, it might have just been the kit that we were using, the Efren kit that I've seen, and like the ASR, I believe, makes a kit that does the front mount for the S85. It might not have issues, but the kit we tried, there was issues. And with the Infinity intakes, we just don't have issues. It's show season, it's race season. I don't want to be dealing with reduced power. That's why we went with this setup and settled on doing this. And on top of all that, they look pretty badass. We already did a DIY on the Infinity intake install. It's on the Outlaw Euro E60 M5, E63 M6 DIY page. If you want to see the details on installing these intakes. So here you are with both Outlaw M5s with Infinity carbon intakes. Kind of a short video. I just want to keep you guys updated on the cars here and what we're doing for intake options. Thanks for watching.